And here's a shot of the 4Runner on the lift. So here's my Toyota 4Runner, and I dropped down the rear propeller shaft over here, you can see. And all I had to do was just loosen these 4 bolts right over here. Just took them off. And you can look in here, and there's the companion flange, and you can see there's some oil right there leaking out, and that's where my oil leak's coming from. And so right now I'm about to unstake this nut. I guess what that means is that undulation right there on the nut has to be pounded out with a chisel and a hammer, and then the nut can be removed, and a puller can be used to remove the companion flange and replace the seal that's back there. So we've been chiseling over here and unstaking the nut, and you can see there's a gap there now. So we're going to open that up a bit more and then take the nut off.
See, the gap is okay now. It's enough to just, you can use a gun. Boom.
Shouldn't we take it off a little more, because those they look like they're still kind of, the metal pieces look like they're curving into the hole. You think that's good now? Maybe something a little bigger?
Вниз? Да, там такой ветряк, когда я ехал вверх, там еле-еле 4 мили делал.